Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching you about family title names in Xhosa. Umama. Umama. Umama means mother. Utata. Utata. Utata means father. Intombi. Intombi. Intombi means daughter. Unyana. Unyana. Unyana means son. Ugogo. Ugogo. Ugogo means grandmother. Utatomkhulu. Utatomkhulu means grandfather. Umchana. Umchana. Umchana means niece. Umzala. Umzala. Umzala means cousin. Umakoti. Umakoti. Umakoti means bride. Umalume. Umalume. Umalume means uncle. Umkhwenyana. Umkhwenyana. Umkhwenyana means groom. Umyeni. Umyeni. Umyeni means husband. Umfazi. Umfazi. Umfazi means wife. Umzukulu. Umzukulu. Umzukulu means grandson. Umzukulwana. Umzukulwana. Umzukulwana means granddaughter. Umazala. Umazala. Umazala means mother-in-law. Utatazala. Utatazala. Utatazala means father-in-law. Umolokazana. Umolokazana. Umolokazana means daughter-in-law. Umkhwenyana. Umkhwenyana. Umkhwenyana means son-in-law. Indodakazi. Indodakazi. Indodakazi means sister-in-law. Usbari. Usbari means sister's husband. Umakazi. Umakazi. Umakazi means mother's sister. Umalume. Umalume. Umalume means mother's brother. Umakhulu. Umakhulu. Umakhulu means mother's mother. Udadobawo. Udadobawo. Udadobawo means father's sister. Utatomncinci. Utatomncinci. Utatomncinci means father's younger brother. Umkhwekazi. Umkhwekazi. Umkhwekazi means wife's mother. Umkhwe. Umkhwe. Umkhwe means wife's father. Utatomdala. Utatomdala. Utatomdala means father's older brother. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.